Oh, did you guys check out Moderna? Oh my gosh, so sad for. I was telling people, I told people that Moderna was gonna go down. No one believed me. Actually, no, what it comes down to is people don't want to hear it. People don't want to hear that, oh, how dare you talk bad about my stock. But, you know, it's offering great shorting opportunities. Bam, a short. That was awesome. If we look at the dailies on Moderna, as I've been saying, the trend is your friend, and the trend started pointing downwards. So we're in bear and we did confirm bear territory. A lot of people said no, but critical levels were just not holding. Major sell-offs have been occurring. This green day, this super green candlestick right here, where 41 million shares were traded, the stock opened at a low of 118.75 ish and closed at 129. So this wanted to show good sentiment to investors and people who were holding Moderna, but this was a dead cat bounce, and it was a really pity one because it bounced and quickly sold off, and now we're on new lows. So this just confirms that we are still in a huge downtrend. If we get another bounce or we get another push to try to come back up on Moderna, I wouldn't be surprised to continue to see those levels, 125 to 130 at the high. Honestly, if you want to get out, 125, 123, that's where you want to sell if you're trying to get out of Moderna, because it just seems like it's going to continue to go lower. Again, as I keep repeating in most of my videos, buy the rumor, sell the facts. Moderna is at too high of a price point for long-term hedge fund investors, people who are really going to hold tons of shares. Like, they started selling at these critical levels. They started selling around 150 to 170. You know, they don't try to time the market. They just try to get out once they made amazing profits. And that's why now you see gradual declines, where the retail investors are noticing that, oh gosh, we're going down. I'm going to feel a lot of pain if we go to 110. Like, I'm selling. I'm holding right now, but if we get to 110, I'm selling. So that, for me, even that shows me predicting where a lot of people could start feeling pain, gives me an opportunity to short the stock. So I would put a critical level like this, and I would actually like to, for maximum profits, I wanted to climb steadily upwards so it can capture a lot of people who are buying quote unquote the dip. But for me, it's not the dip. For me, it's just a pullback in a downwards trend and entering a put position. And Moderna can sell off pretty quickly because when people panic, they panic pretty fast. Today, the shorting opportunity was at the open. We got confirmation right here, a low, and you got a lower low, and then you got the lowest low, and then this was a pullback. So if you want to enter with confidence, you let the price action dictate where should I enter, and anywhere around here would have you could have got a nice short position and held it through the ups and downs, all the choppiness right here. But once it broke off support, you were able to profit a nice share wise 3%, but option wise, I'm thinking about $100 per contract, depending on how many contracts you purchased on puts. And that's what I like to do. I like to buy option contracts for the leverage, which this sell-off was really nice for me. And this is getting in late. You could have getting in at the open. You had a clear indication that this support line right here was not going to hold. And you could have literally entered at the start of the day to get maximum gains. But if not, just wait for the next price signal and key support level that the charts start to form, and it broke. So Moderna, we're still very bearish on it. I am. Pfizer, you're gonna get all the same sentiments. Oh, Zoom, I'll talk about it next. I saw Zoom also. I'm telling people, like, these stocks, you just gotta stay in the sidelines. If you have shares, know when to sell. Pfizer, huge sell-off. Even more confirmation that these biotech companies are not in the cycle for people to pick up or be motivated to purchase for the long run. Pfizer going down, and let's just not even talk about Gilead. So if you want to be in biotechs, look for the next breakthrough. Look for the next stock that could come with a new solution to a new problem. The Rona, it's here and it's getting solved. And thank you to, Pfizer and Moderna for getting a vaccine. But at the same time, stock-wise, it's punishing its bag holders who are at the top. So sorry about that.
Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA, go SpaceX, Godspeed, Bob and Doug.
Godspeed indeed.
Vehicle pitching downrange.